Yeah, yeah, very warm welcome to all of you. I hope am I audible? Let me confirm with my phone if my voice is clear or not. I need to change my account and okay, yeah, we are live now. We are live now. Okay, first for a very good evening. If you have any task, ask any doubt regarding AI agent, agentic AI, AI engineering. So you can feel free to ask any question about this thing. And if we want to very consistent with YouTube channel, so what you guys want to learn in this YouTube channel? So basically, I try to create a couple of AI generated video using Dialogflow CX and Google Cloud. So I receive a very good engagement. So am I in the right track, or are you want to learn Hermes agent, OpenClaw, or this thing? So basically, know about and if you have any concern or start a play series on start a one playlist on this thing. So yeah, this is agenda for this particular live stream. I think yeah, I think we are early, 10 minutes early. I will live stream in 1 hour means 5 o'clock timing. Indian as per Indian IST timing is 4:55. We will live stream up to 6 o'clock. So this is the timing. If you have any doubt regarding AI agent, agentic AI, feel free to ask. And what you guys want to learn. So yeah, thus chit chat on a Friday night, weekend day. Okay, perfect. I think okay, great, amazing. So yeah. So basically, if I talk about my recent simple thing in AI agents, so currently, if you want to become AI engineer, you should know about RAG and how we create an entire agentic engineering. How we can means if you know any framework, LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, Google ADK, Microsoft Agent Framework, Nemo Agent Framework, and so many means each and every company try to create their own framework. So, but concept will be same. So there is a one LLM and entire harness engineering people are try to create. So yeah, currently in AI agent spend this thing is ongoing. So another one is we can say what is the loop engineering. So if I want to create one any CLI for particular client, so I can write instead of writing, I will provide a one good prompt and use Codex, Cloud Code, and Hermes agent. This CLI tool in such a way it will improve in auto each and every iteration. So we can say we will try to use auto research concept in our existing software development. This is nothing but we can say loop agent development. So yeah, in our YouTube channel you can find related to Google Dialogflow CX, conversation agents, CX agent studio related content. So this is a specific field. If your job requirement around use this platform, use Google Cloud and provide AI solution. So yeah, this YouTube channel GenAI Guru helpful to me in your professional journey. Okay, so maybe I will took means I will be here and try to. Hmm. So if you want to become, hmm, so if you want to become AI engineer, let me AI engineer. So people are asking some common question is all about should I need to learn web dev or not? So yes, web dev is needed. वाई बिकॉज जो भी फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट है एपीए कॉलिंग का, यहाँ पे हम एलएलएम यूज करते हैं, तो दिस थिंग बेसिक यू शुड नो। तो ये बात है। और अगर मैं एआई इंजीनियर स्पेसिफिक की बात करूँ तो आरएजी हो गया, अब मल्टी एआई एजेंट सॉल्यूशन हो गया एजेंट। और जो एआई के कॉन्सेप्ट हैं वो आपको जानने चाहिए। तो ये सारी चीजें आपको इन फ्यूचर हेल्प करेगी। It's 5 o'clock. Okay, okay. It's 5 o'clock. Let me share this my link to couple of groups so people are joining in this lab and we are try to cover some topics. Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I think we receive some viewer. Okay, so yeah, hello, good evening. Hi, you are a member, so thank you for purchase membership in our GenAI Guru YouTube channel. I think we receive a lots of viewer, approximately three viewers. So yeah, this is a just live stream. So I want to learn CX Agent Studio. Okay, perfect. So you can means okay. I think in our GitHub repository, GECX, Gemini Enterprise for Customer Experience. So if you want to learn from official resources from CX Agent Studio, so there are three cloud skill boost cloud skill boost lab, and we created also one awesome. If you just search in Google, I will after this let me try to put on CX Agent Studio. Yeah, awesome CX Agent Studio repository. So you will find each and everything about this CX Agent Studio. Yeah, in this repository, I will collect all the learning resources in one places, and you can find everything about CX Agent Studio in one place. So, and GCX is a, we can say inside a GCX means GCX is Gemini Enterprise Solution. So inside we can consider this agent space. Previously, its name is the agent space. So this is a no code, low code tool. Just your like if your enterprise data we have in particular platform like OneDrive or anything else. So just we can say drag and drop related thing. But in conversation agent, this is a we can say no code platform. And our CX Agent Studio is a low code platform. Low code, no code. And Google ADK is a hard code. Google ADK. So yeah, Gemini Enterprise consists entire solution, but in this Gemini Enterprise we can select which product we need to use based on our business requirement. So yeah, I mean CX agent, CX agent studio, conversation agent, Dialogflow CX. These are we can say low code platform. So I anything else? Okay, reasons. So okay, so if I want to build a voice to voice chat like Chat GPT, would it be possible? Yeah. So basically, you are talking about A to A, audio to audio protocol, not agent to agent. So yeah, if I talk about Chat GPT audio model, so you can use Chat GPT audio model. Grok means in this SpaceX, we can say Grok AI, SpaceX AI. Now they rebranded it as SpaceX AI. So you can use their voice API. Also, we can say Google provide Gemini Live API. So also 11 Lab, WAPI, these platform are provide. And if I talk about NVIDIA, I think I don't remember exact name. Voice chat, I think. So these are some audio to audio model. So I will give me a 2 or 3 minute. I will put the Gemini one, Gemini Live audio model documentation link. Gemini audio to audio. So each and every company try to create in this domain. So I would like to explore this Grok one because they provide your voice clone capability in their solution. So yeah, where is a audio streaming? Yeah, this is audio model. Audio model, not audio API. Yeah, this one. Gemini. Yeah. So in this description, you will find this audio model. So make it so. Uh, so to make it possible, WebSocket will be necessary for communication. Yeah, WebSocket is necessary. If you check Google educate documentation, because if we use any other protocol like REST protocol, so it's just return and request. There is a no persistence connection between in REST. But how WebSocket will work? We can say if I send front end to backend request, if I send one request, so there is a persistence connection between front end and back end. So this will be possible in only on WebSocket on socket.io. So that's why for live streaming, people are using WebSocket. Mm, so if it's huh, suppose we need custom chat front end, okay, front end, back end and front end. Why I am saying suppose we need a custom chat UI. So basically, yeah, okay. If I talk about if you need a custom chat UI, so you can, I think in my GitHub repository, if you in previously DFCX is a nothing but Dialogflow CX. Then means you can use this as an API. Means how you can create a custom solution. So this is your FE means this is your front end, and this is you create a one backend. And whenever you need Dialogflow CX and NLP capability, call as a API and return as a API. So here you can create your custom backend. So in this way, whatever you need means your business side, you can create a everything. Here we use Dialogflow CX API, but you can use CX Agent Studio CX AS as a API. So in this way, you can create a solution. I hope I think I answer properly. Okay, let me. Meanwhile, I will put some resources on uh, GitHub Dialogflow CX as a API. Where is the Dialogflow? Yeah. Okay, in this repository you will find each and everything about Dialogflow CX. Yeah, so another member from message restricted. Okay, why? JavaScript error. There is a one. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. I don't zigzag zoom YT YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you for asking this question, and once again thank you for purchasing our membership. I think yeah. Oh, message restricted. Why I don't know. I think JavaScript. There is another guy. JavaScript error. So I want to read your question, but your message is restricted. Something like that. Okay, sorry. Reasons. So um, reasons means can you elaborate means which reason you want to deep dive like based on business need we need to use this Google Cloud platform and provide a business solution whenever we need conversation AI capability. Yeah, so please ask one question. I think my chat is yeah I can see the chat but then yeah okay maybe I think is there any this studio will be changed now we can say means there are so much improvement I can able to share my screen and so many improvement in this CX Agent studio or sorry YouTube studio is there. I can pin everything. Wow, I can create a poll also. This is amazing means. So let me yeah I think zigzag zoom you can ask a question. I have one question I think after that I didn't receive anything but yeah. Okay, typing no problem, no problem. Yeah. I think in future, if we want to conduct one session, we can use Discord. So we have also two-way communication in Discord. So if we want to build a voice-to-voice chatbot like ChatGPT, would it be possible? So front end by saying suppose we need chat custom UI. Okay. Maybe I am also one of the viewers, so that's why. Let me yeah, meanwhile, I will share this YouTube link so other people also can join this live stream. And Okay, let me. Okay, yeah, so I am a full front end guy. My teammate use GCP thing like GCS bucket, Google ADK, CX Agent Studio, and Fast API Cloud Run. I get confused, so I need a path. What should I pick first and why? Okay, so basically these are, we can say, maybe, yeah, here you use Google ADK and CX Agent Studio. So if you have a knowledge, first of all, my suggestion, you should learn first Python. Why Python? Because if I talk about what is a Google ADK, means Google ADK agent, this is a nothing but a one Python library. If I talk about fast API, what is a fast API? Fast API is nothing but Python library. In Python, we have a three Python library usually: Flask, Django, and Fast API. So people are, after AI, people are use Fast API as a backend. So that's why first try to learn Fast API. Google ADK, yeah, if you are absolutely clear with your Python and ops things, object oriented programming, then you can easily grasp everything. So maybe this is a fundamental thing. Other than this, here, GCS bucket. What is a GCS bucket? How you want to access GCS bucket? Is a, we can say, this is a one storage. So you need to use Python library. Here we can say we want to use GCS bucket via Python client. So everything you can, means how you can access this thing. So if I say, is there any way to upload your document in Drive? So the first way is just upload everything into, hey, we are we uh, uh, where are you currently? So basically I am from India, Pune. So yeah, so if I, okay, we are in this thing. So GCS is a one cloud storage, we can say. What is the Cloud Run? Cloud Run is a serverless hosting system. So yeah, these are, we can say, uh, if I say working in Accenture, no, no, means currently I am not part of Accenture. So yeah. Yeah, in my GitHub repository and other things there is Accenture mentioned. So yeah, basically if I say you need to become a problem solver in Google Cloud, so you need to learn all the things. We can say also you forget one thing, means Vertex AI, how we can use Gemini API. So this thing you need to learn, and you need a one path, right? So I can say there is a only one platform and they provide partner skill boost platform. So, sorry, skills.google.com now. Skills.google.com. I will put this link in this description so you can find it. So, in this platform, just try to complete a associate cloud engineer learning path. And if you want to do AI side, so complete your AI training. Means there is some learning path in Google Cloud Skill Boost layer. So try to complete Google ADK AI agent learning path and CX Agent Studio learning path, and you are good to go. And if you have some basic means advanced understanding about Python, then you are a pro developer. So this is a roadmap you need to follow. We can say after AI, uh, storage like Drive, actual data storage. Yeah, GCP is a, we can say in Drive we have some limitation, but in this Google GCS storage, we can say we can store infinite amount of large file. So yeah. Okay. Learn everything. Is there is a gap? When I got a get API and just integrate. Yeah. So basically, learn everything. I there Is there any gap? When I Get API and just integrate. So basically, you need to become a problem solver. You need to understand the business requirement, use AI or without AI, write a Python code, fast API code, Google ADK code, and try to fulfill the business requirement. So as far as you are good in with that, so that's the thing. So currently, I am doing job or self-employed. So yeah, I am part of the one of the organizations. So yeah. Currently, we can say I am doing a job. So usually, mine if we talk about okay, if I talk about myself a little bit, so I have a total 4 year and 7 month experience in Google Cloud. So I work with three organizations: TCS, Accenture, and Excel. So all the three organizations are in Google, use Google Cloud and their services and provide a AI solution for various clients. So this is the roles and responsibility, and so that's why means here Zig Zang Zoom asking question means we need to learn. Basically, architecture is like we need to use everything in Google Cloud and provide a business solution. So yeah. We had a talked in past during okay Harkirat cohort. Yeah, yeah, maybe I am a teaching assistant of Harkirat cohort, so that's why. So yeah, I'm a AI is there. Object oriented pattern development fast API cloud run. Yeah, perfect, absolutely correct. We can say main thing is cloud computing and Python. That's it. Everything other than this is just uh, one concept, and you need to use this thing and solve a business problem. So yeah, perfect. I think it's a 20s or 21 only. Okay, perfect. We have a half an hour time, so till 6 o'clock we will do live stream taking a question, and after 6 o'clock we wrap up everything. And so yeah, this is a weekend, so let's do some live streaming. And now I have some free time, so we can say I can create some content around open flow AI agent. So that's why maybe I ask people which thing you want to learn. So that's why yeah. I need a full understanding of requirement. When to use what and full fledged GCP man. Perfect understanding of requirement. Uh, one to yeah. So I am a that guy means my entire experience in Google Cloud only in as part of professional journey and deliver retail, healthcare, food and beverages clients. So yeah. I need a full understanding of requirement. When, yeah. So basically, if I deep dive into this thing, so there are so many solutions available in. Can I buy Harkirat now cohort AI one? So yeah, we can say this is a separate discussion. I think we can connect in Discord and we can do. Basically, yeah. If I yeah, so that's can I take buy a new cohort? New cohort means AIML cohort is completed. So okay, so you are a great man. Thank you so much. Okay, now I have a time, so I will try to explain some when to use which thing. So if you want to create an AI solution in Google Cloud, so first one is a use Gemini API. Gemini API. Second one solution is here we can say now they rebranded as Gemini Enterprise, but we take a previous name Agent Space. Other one is a Vertex AI data store. and this is a nothing but RAG engine. So in each and every use case, this is a very means non-technical guy. I have some certain document in my Google Drive. I create a agent space instance and connect my Google Drive with it. And within a 5 minute, it will provide a reg and it will provide URL also. They deploy everything and they provide URL and you can do question answer system. So this is agent space with low code. If you go with deep dive into Vertex AI data store, so you need to create a bucket, upload everything into bucket or which data connected you want to connect, and we are good to go. But here we have some flexibility, like you can select chunking, embed chunking, uh, chunking size, overlap size. If you want to extract image, if you want to extract text and table, so these, and if you want to enhance this feature, so this feature is available in second one, Vertex AI data store. In reg engine, we can say you can get everything whatever you get in data store. Also, which vector DB you want to use, which vector DB you want to use. And here you control everything. Means here I can say Google Gemini API or Google ADK. So yeah, means you have a control of each and everything your business problem and you can create AI solution. So based on business need, how much they pay, security protocol and other things, you can create your select your own solution. So yeah, I have a 6 year experience, but on front end, starting backend and AI and GCP. Yeah, perfect. This is a red one. So I think yeah, for learning a GCP, main thing is if you are basic clear with your cloud computing fundamental, then use this. Let me put this partner skill book, skills.com, right? Skills.google.com. Yeah, here you can find each and everything about uh, why. Okay, this is a all-in-one resource for GCP learning. And let me I received too many calls on. Okay. Okay, let me say it again this thing. Okay, yeah. If you have any other doubt or yeah, this is nothing but in GCP side. I think this GenAI Guru is or on GCP side only. Means whatever thumbnail I try to create in a GCP theme. So yeah, we can say means we try to. Okay, I think I will try to cover create some video on Google IDK. Not we can say means whatever in YouTube channel you can find other things with basic thing, but I would like to talk about what is the. Here we have so many coding tool like Cloud Code, Codex, Hermes Agent, OpenClaw. How can we use this thing and create an entire not a POC but scalable solution using this tool? So I think we created a couple of video on Hermes agent using and use CX crappy CLI. So yeah, maybe use Google ADK first. When you if you want to create any solution, make sure you should be clear with your architecture diagram. Then we can say with the help of AI we can create a more better solution. Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you so much. Maybe I think we need to do live streaming in evening time. In evening time, approximately 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we receive lots of viewer. But today is a Friday, so maybe all folks are in office, so that's why maybe it's not proper timing. But yeah, before we um, do some live stream, I think I try to create some polls. So yeah, yeah, I think if I want to deep dive into this thing in upcoming days, we try to create some CX agent studio, Google ADK, Gemini Enterprise for customer experience, and yeah, these are more than some. And use this coding CLI to loop agent agent harness and create some video. How to take a vertex a credit? Okay, perfect. Good question. So basically, there are. I think we created also one reel. So first way is use your credit card or debit card, credit or debit card, and you will receive 300 credit for the 3 months, 90 days. So this is the first way. Second way is you can use this cloud skill boost. Now we cloud skill boost layer, temporary layer. And third way is join when do you come like okay. So basically third one is if you are in metro city, Pune, Bangalore, and other metro cities. So try to find one community, GDG, Google Developer Group. So there are means in every month we have some event regarding GDG. So they try to perform some cloud agent layer. So they provide some free credit. So approximately you receive some $5 free credit. So, but in $5 free credit, you will receive $600 Dialogflow CX credit and also $1,000 Vertex AI data store credit. So you can use this free credit, and also we can say there are some free trial in Google Cloud. So within they provide just $5, but you can use as your temporary resource and deploy cloud run cloud function in free trial service. So in this way, we can say means BigQuery also provide some free trials. So these are three ways. Means first one is you need to use your credit and debit card. You will get uh, 3 month validity and third $3,000 credit. Second one is use Cloud Skill Boost platform as a temporary lab. Third one is participate in this GDG offline or online event. Yeah, so I tried. I forget this thing. Means try to join Discord GTG. Just yeah, they conduct online event and they provide some $5 free credit. You can claim it. So there is a one code we pass my YouTube channel. They provide a $5 free credit. So you can utilize this thing and try to do practice on what exercises. Yeah, these are somewhere. So when do you come live? So yeah, I think now in upcoming days we can say I got some time. So in every weekend, not every weekend, but frequently weekend, I try to do some live streaming and know about, or I try to think about publish one course on Google Cloud. So maybe yeah. If everything works fine, then let's see. We try to create some cohort on Google Cloud. How to take? Perfect. When do you come live? 34. Okay. Okay, perfect. I think we have a two viewer only. Okay. Do you also do some collaboration also like building something together? Yeah, yeah, I think we can do. Means, I think in YouTube we can do live stream in both channel also. So yeah, we can do some collaboration also. Let me check your YouTube channel. So I will join your Discord. Oh, yeah, yeah, perfect. In Discord we can say means we can share our screen and solve our difficulty. So that's why. But here they provide a share screen option. Wow, YouTube is great. I have nothing on video. Okay, okay, no problem. So basically, where are you from? Means I think you told you have 6 year experience, right? Yeah. Basically, I am from Gujarat, but due to job, I am in Pune and since 1.5 year. I work with these three organizations, TCS, Accenture, and EXL. I am a scholar. Okay, okay. Yeah, perfect then. Okay, perfect. I am from UP Ayodhya. Okay, great to hear. Perfect. So how was the weather? Means here is too rainy. It's every day too much rain. Okay, working in Noida. Perfect, amazing. Yeah, Noida, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. These are some good places to work in IT. Did you work from home? Yeah, means I got a full work from home opportunity. Some too raining in north also. Okay, great, great. Did not you work from home? Yeah, means I have a full 24 by 7 work from home opportunity. So we'll connect on Discord. Yes, sure, sure. I have been Hyderabad in, in Bangalore. Okay, perfect. So basically, yeah, means why I want to means another thing. There is a one agentic AI hackathon hosted by NVIDIA. So in this hackathon, we need to use NVIDIA ecosystem, expense and cost, but salary is also high. Na. Pune living is yeah. Compared to basically, I am from Gujarat. So if you compare Ahmedabad salary and Pune salary, Pune is much higher than I have a just 4 year and 7 month experience. So whatever provided in Ahmedabad is too much in. Uh, I need to approximately more than 12 year or 10 year experience. Then I can. Okay, okay. Don't put me in salary number because this is a live stream. So other people are is there. So no problem. Yeah, I think eventually means if you are in 6 LPA, right? We can say try to work on your skill. So you will get in AI agent. Literally, if I am asked now, in AI agent, people are there are one type of people they know the buzzword, and other people if you means if you have a create end-to-end project now you have a end-to-end understanding like which type of a difficulty are you facing production and how much conceptual clarity you have in this topic, so you will get easily get 100% hike on your salary. So yeah. But we can say now we need, if I talk about one thing, I encourage people to learn system design and design thinking means, so these are two, we can say, things, because try to learn how to design good software means read concept philosophy books, and another one is system design. So in this way we can, with the help of cloud code and coding agent, we can create an entire solution within a one day. Like someone provide one business requirement and they were clear with their feature, and they provide architect means now I know the architecture design, and if solution architecture will provide entire thing, so within a, we can say 1 or 2 day I can create a solution. Yeah, need some time to some testing and some refinement, but day from day one we can show something. So the concept is this one before. And in if I talk about Pune experience, so everyone are using this cloud code and these things. But I have work currently. I resigned from job in March due to some issue. I am comfortable to work again. How can I understand? So basically, if I say I have a just 4 year and 7 month experience, but I switch four company. Means this is my fourth company. So and I am from non-technical background. Means MSc physics. So but if we have a strong business requirement now, and you know the concept means I have a six means recently I joined another organization, so I have a six offer in hand. So you can negotiate, and why? Because you have a irreplaceable skill. So that's why we can say focus on your. So this is a very means. If I try to explain Rag, how much depth you want to know means okay, you know about. If I try to explain, if someone asks me about explain a reg, so explain a reg in detail. Next question is what are the challenges are you facing in your project, and how do you overcome this thing. So if you are create a story around this thing and explain in nice way, and so interviewer will be clear. Okay, you create an end-to-end reg pipeline in production, so you know. And is there any other problem now you can able to understand the topic, and I will be connecting Discord. I think I have your number will perfect. Yes, sure, we will connect. I think I have a LinkedIn profile, TopMate profile, so you can connect me anytime. And so yeah, yes, coding is easy now, but yeah, but we can say if I give some junior fellow, means there are some intern is there, so they have a all access cloud code, but they don't know what prompt I need to give. So if in our GenAI Guru, you can see some sorts related to NVIDIA quiz. So they are all are AI generated. Within a 25 minute, we created approximately 1,000 plus reels. Now we have YouTube and this restriction, so that's why we can't able to upload. But we can say if we know the concept very well, software means computer science and fundamental, we are good to go. Means we can, so these people are demanding this skill means. And if I means if you are do some comparison on startup like they ask means they ask each and everything if you mention Docker, if you mention Kubernetes, until they ask question like each and everything. When you stop now they will stop. Otherwise they ask very tough question on, but we can say means you will learn a lot, and we can say. So yeah, this thing I will connect in Discord. Okay, okay. So yeah, yeah, means we can say no. You, if you have a gap, no need to worry. Just okay. If I give some hacks on, try to create a Naukri profile and try to complete 100%. No, complete your 100% profile. Second one is try to visit Naukri every day. Use LinkedIn and X. So if you are looking for some remote opportunity, use Twitter or X, or directly in Twitter. I receive so many, we can say, just comment on some US guy. They will they will reply or they will encourage. You can take also, if you have created some project regarding NVIDIA API. So you can take NVIDIA. You can, if you use quadrant vector database, so you take their official tag, and they will at least they like or repost. Some of the people are repost my project. So we can say you can do this thing and get some visibility. And in Twitter and LinkedIn, they directly post. So yeah, to learn about GCP thing like Vertex AI, Cloud and Deployment ADK, will you suggest any Udemy courses or skill boost course are enough? So we can say uh, um, partner skill boost is enough. If you have a business account like business Udemy, so there are some Udemy courses, so you can do. But yeah, I want to learn by doing. Yeah, means basically these partner skill lab means try to attend, just don't complete the lab, but try to understand under the hood what will the happen. So these lab are more than sufficient to learn each and everything. Because yeah, in CX Agent Studio they provide literally, they, I think if you want to create a voice deploy, just now there is a one, I saw one deployment YouTube channel. So what are the three channel? First one is a web widget, second one is a API, and third one is a platform. These are three way you can deploy your CX Agent Studio agent. So this particular lab, they try to provide each and everything with lab instruction. So yeah, these are literally lab are sufficient to learn Google Cloud. And other than this, we can say, is there any business need, you need to refer documentation and deep dive and yeah, web widget, platform and API access. Yeah, absolutely correct. So yeah, learn by doing is the best way, we can say. In if I talk about in production, means in production, let me just share some experience. Like, uh, uh, is there any in voice agent, what will happen if I ask St. Louis in I need to put some address, so it will consider as a street Louis. So how do you tackle these type of problems? So we can say these are not your CX Studio are paid. Yeah, yeah, I think some of the paid, some of means other things are, we can say, I will make as a public soon, means after some days, so not a problem. Sorry, where I am. um, Web widget platform, okay. Yeah, I think some of the yeah, CX Agent Studio one are paid will be. Yeah, because means very few people are interested in CX Agent Studio, and I try to create from them, so that's why I put a membership. But yeah, I think within a 1 month or a few days I will try to release some of the video. Hermes Agent one will find, but because these are, we can say, entire production project. What are you are what are the other things you teach? So yeah, agentic engineering, we can say in one word, means create a AI. Yeah, simple things, we can say, agentic engineering. Use, if I open my miss my phone, so this Hermes agent means 24/7 Hermes agent is reading. And I try to use this Hermes agent, OpenGlow, this thing and automate a certain thing like here I so if you check my YouTube channel, try to create a reel automation, try to publish some Udemy courses. So yeah, other things is one. So basically, usually focus on an NVIDIA ecosystem and Google ecosystem. So yeah, use this two cloud and provide AI solution for various client and enterprise. So this is a responsibility usually I have in corporate journey and professional life. I think means this is my English channel, but there is a one Yash Kavaiya. I have yeah, another Gujarati YouTube channel where I typed when I was in college. So how to fill out admission form and certain thing, and some college tour and so yeah. But I think in Google CX Studio, now let me put the medium playlist. If you read this thing, you are miss uh, good to go with CX Studio active list. Where is a CX Studio? Yeah, this one is the list. Control X and Control B. Yeah, in this playlist you will find each and everything about CX Agent Studio as part of start each and everything. But other than this, if I talk about products and projects, this type of issue you face. Like in CX Agent Studio, if I give some more scenario, if client is silent for 5 seconds, you need to trigger some event and do uh, take whatever in conversation design, take other intent as a consideration. So how you can do this thing? So because yeah, so if you are absolutely clear with event handler, so yeah, means this is a simple thing, but try to read from documentation and these official sources. So these are, we can say, in this way you can overcome production challenges. So if I talk about other challenges, this is a means common challenges like in this is a not a CX agent studio, but this is a Dialogflow CX agent means Dialogflow CX project. So if I say my phone number is 1 triple 0, so it won't it will won't consider as a 1 triple 0. If I say 1 0 0 0 0, it can able to capture. So sir, so how do you overcome these type of challenges in production? Because if you receive 200 requests per second, so out of 14 15 requests, if you face client will raise concern. Okay, we have done till okay CES API, great, perfect, amazing. Yeah, using WebSocket CES API bidirectional and perfect. So current job is not more dependent on coding side, but more completely based on your analytical and solution thing. Yeah, means here I say, okay, yeah, if in X company they are looking for backend developer, they took a cloud code subscription and hired a one on two guy. Now the means we can say entire ecosystem will gradually will change. So here introduce we can say we have a one team member and team lead we have, and we have approximately 4 or 6 developer based on our business need. So yeah, currently we can say use coding CLI tool and provide more on analytical solution design thinking. So yeah, but interruption is not there, and you say if there is a pause, agent should speak like human. How it's possible? But interruption is not there. And what you say is there a pause? Agent should speak like a human. Okay, so basically in CX Agent Studio, if you go to setting, there is a one option we can say silence. So you can define if means I created one CX Agent Studio and deploy in my telephonic gateway. So if I silence for 5 seconds, then okay, are you there? This type of question asked by CX Agent Studio. So, but here we have a if I say I didn't say anything, so it will go ahead and go to main menu. So that type of business requirement we have. Oh, I think yeah. Basically, yeah. How? Okay, I think maybe use this silence one event handler and try to solve a business problem. We can say these are, but interruption is not there. And what you say, yeah, means if I pause for 5 seconds and there is a no interruption, but in our design flow, client need this. This is a agent experience. So anyway, means whatever client need, we need to fulfillment. We need to fulfill the requirement. So in also there are certain event handler, no input. Oh, you got it. Okay, okay, yeah, perfect. Maybe, but interruption is not there. And what you say, is there a pause? Agent should speak like human. How it's possible? So basically means, okay, here if I deep dive into business requirement is, uh, if human means, I am silent for 5 seconds, then my CX agent studio agent will ask, "Are you there? Can you can tell number in this way." So this is a business requirement. Another one is, we can say, "I am silent for 5 seconds." Then it will redirect into main menu. So how you can do this thing in CX Studio? So using callbacks. In callbacks, you put certain event. I am silent for 5 seconds, then route it into this way. So yeah, these are couple of production scenario I try to explain. I think okay. Now I have 4 minutes. So yeah, I need to hard stop at approximately in 4 minutes. So if you have any question or any suggestion or any recommendation, feel free to ask. So instruction will handle that. No, 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 no. You need to use callback. There are six callback: before agent, after agent, before model, before LLM call, after LLM call, and before tool call and after tool call. So you need to use this thing and tackle this type of ambiguous situation. Yeah, also if you mention everything into instructions, then your email will be not clear. Means it may hallucinate. And one of the CX agent studio callback I will explore. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Callback is a very means callback. If I say callback is just nothing but Python function, and let me explore this page also. CX agent studio callback Python. What will happen means, you can create a POC, but when you go to production and some scalability, now you will face some difficulty. So this why callback and this type of, if client need a deterministic nature. So callback, it's a low code or Python fast API. Basically just a simple Python. No, you need to write a Python function. Yeah, exactly. Python is the Python function. Got it. Yeah. It's a two. Okay, I think I will wait 2 minutes, and after this we will wrap up. And yeah, thank you so much for this keep engaging session. So I will try to do this live stream infrequently nowadays. So yeah. Okay, we'll explore. We meet again. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, 5:59. Ping you on Discord. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, I think it's 6 o'clock, and yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day ahead, and we will meet you. Bye bye. Have a great day.